Alright, what's up guys? So right behind me is Rodeo 39 Market. We're in Stanton right now. It's a new food hall that just popped up here. I believe this is the soft opening or grand opening. It's Saturday. So yeah guys, about to get some food for you guys and explore the food hall with Laisha.
Hey.
Guys, it seems very packed right now. This is my first time here. Let's see how this compares to all the other food hallings.
They got some Ramen Place here by Hironori. I love Hironori.
Hironori.
The ramen bar right here. The Hironori.
I'll go girl for dessert.
To the side right there.
Oh shit, we can get a tattoo in here, guys. That's crazy. We're about to get yadded. Me and Leia's first stop is the famous Bun Sale Boys. They actually had this at the food market on 4th in Santa Ana. I've actually never tried it before, but I've heard great things. Have you had a Bun Sale before?
I don't know.
No, Leia has never had a Bun Sale before. A Bun Sale, yeah, Bun Sale is like a Vietnamese dish. You'll see what it is. Basically like an egg pancake. It's pretty fire, guys. They got the Bun Sales whipping up in the kitchen back here, guys. Woo!
Use as basic as possible. On the team. Work. Good, very good. Got Laisha. So apparently Leia wants to get yadded.
What do you guys think? Should Leia get yadded or no? Yes or no? Comment down below. Dan versus the world right here.
Ew, no.
Alright guys, so we got our Bun Sale, but we're at this place called Hook and Anchor because, you know the wrong, he loves his lobster, so we're here for him.
I do love
He's
seafood.
about to go in.
Their lobster roll looks good.
This guy's a lobster fiend right here.
I am.
A fiend for the lobster.
Guilty.
Alright guys, so we got the Bun Sale here from the famous Bun Sale Boys. So Leia here has not tried it before. So let me introduce y'all. Put y'all on some game on what a Bun Sale is. So Bun Sale is like a Vietnamese crepe, pancakes. So there's egg in here, some sweet, translucent onions, and you eat it with some herbs, vegetables, some chili if you want to. The most important ingredient is the fish sauce. So let me just prepare it how I would for Leia right here. It's nice and crispy. You hear that crisp? Okay, we got the swimming pig. So this one has pork belly and shrimp. So this is the best seller here. So let's see. Here. Yeah, I need a knife for this. This is like way too crunchy. This is kind of this is kind of messy, but this is how I eat it. You can eat it any different way. Some people eat it with their hands. Bruh, it's getting crazy. Okay.
It's messy.
It is pretty messy. All right. Put some radish and daikon on there. Don't worry, my hands are clean. All right, and then sprinkle a little dash of fish sauce. A little dash. All right. And wrap this up. Take a bite.
Oh, me?
Good. I'll hold it for you because it's messy.
I don't even know.
Big bite, big bite. Did you get the meat? Mm-hmm. That's fire. The batter is really crunchy. The egg right here is a nice, the fish sauce gives it a nice sweetness. And that pork belly is super juicy, guys.
It's so good. Vietnamese food is really good. Like, I really like, they always sprinkle fish sauce on it. It makes it that much better. Really
And
good.
the herbs and everything gives it that fresh taste. Really crisp. They also got a vegan option too if you guys don't eat meat. See how Durong prepares his. Everyone prepares their bun sale a little bit differently.
If you don't get it with meat, just don't get it at all.
Delicious, like
My
egg.
opinion.
Loki, some people eat the bun sale with just the batter. But the batter is egg, so that's not vegan. Ooh. Vietnamese taco.
Pretty much, right?
It's like an
Vietnamese
omelet.
Technically it's like a crepe, omelet, pancake, whatever you want to call it.
Very savory.
Sauce.
There it is.
There it is. Big bite. Okay.
It's definitely different because it's crispy. The pork is usually not crispy. And the batter is crunchy, which
Yeah.
adds a different type of texture to it. And you're right about the mint. It's really fresh.
Yeah, I was gonna say the same thing. This bun sale is really crunchy. The ones I've had are usually a bit spongier, so yeah, it's an interesting twist. Durong and his lobster. The waitress said that Leia looks like Zendaya. Comment down below if you agree.
Wow, he did that.
Or disagree. How's it chowder?
It's good.
Right here, lobster connoisseur. What is that? It's the sriracha.
Sriracha mayo. Fuck yeah.
Alright, I'm gonna take a bite of this lobster roll right here. That lobster is very tender and it's very buttery. It's fire.
There's a lot of bars here.
Is there?
Yeah.
There's like
Right
one
here.
So if you guys like to drink, there's plenty to choose from.
Shots.
Oh shit. No, that says shoots. Yeah, you know Durong love his meats. He's interested right now. A kid at a candy store.
That's $27. Holy shit.
Yeah. What is this place? It's like a...
Oh, no.
What? Oh, no.
How much fat is in that burger he's rolling?
Oh, dude, that actually looks pretty fire.
Fucking can see it.
Yeah, you know... Dude, you want to get a burger? Would you eat a burger with me?
Talking to me?
Yeah. It actually looks like a pretty fatty burger. Okay, so we're just walking around seeing what looks good, what captures our eyes. So yeah, guys. It might be time for dessert though. What do you think?
It's time.
Fat ass.
There's actually a lot of cool art here, guys. So there you have it. I think we made a full circle around this place. It's pretty good size. Mid-size, probably like 20 places here, I would say, right? 20, 25? Yeah, a lot of options to choose from. Ooh, another bar? Creamery? Oh shit, there's like a clothing store here too. In-N-Out in the distance, so like if you guys don't like anything here, you guys just walk across the street to In-N-Out.
You guys want to try our first?
Yeah.
Oh, samples.
Yeah.
Thank you. There's a nice outdoor seating area too, guys, for some fresh air. This way. You could bring your doggos out here too.
He's a winner dog. You see how his legs plopped out?
Alright guys, me and Leia got some donuts at this old dough place behind us. Let's try it out. I got the cookies and cream, you know me, cookies and cream is my favorite. And Leia got the matcha one.
Magic matcha.
Magic matcha. Here's it. See it. Wow.
This is really good.
He actually said this is Belgian chocolate inside. I actually thought it was gonna be like a vanilla cream, but still pretty solid. These donuts are surprisingly moist. Alright guys, so we're leaving the Rodeo 39 market. It was pretty good. What did you think?
I thought it was good. I wish we would have had more things, but the two items that we had, which was the bun, the Vietnamese pancake, it was so good. So honestly, I'm really satisfied with what we got.
Yeah, it's a food hall, so there's so many choices. So we couldn't try them all, but we're definitely gonna come back next time. We really like the vibes, the ambience. The atmosphere was nice. So yeah guys, maybe there will be a part 2. So if you like this video, like it, comment down below, we should try next, and subscribe for more food vlogs. Deuces.
Deuces.